In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up alternate decoration areas on your blank products. We've gotten a couple of requests asking for the ability to set different size decoration areas based on the decoration method. To set something like this up, first we're going to go into Products in your admin section. From there, we'll jump into Decoration Areas. We'll edit one of our categories that we want to make changes to. In this case, let's go with Adult Tops. All right, in this example, we're going to be adding additional body decoration areas separated by process. So I already have my default body area listed here, and that's going to be the one used for my primary process, which is DTG. So I'll go ahead and uncheck screen printing for that default body area. What I'm going to do from here is scroll down to the bottom of that list and click Add Area to add an additional one. And I'm going to call this Body Screen Printing. And I'll add one more, and this is going to be Body Embroidery. Okay, with those new areas now enabled, I'll go ahead and select the process that I want on that specific area. And because I've now separated those out, I can specify what I want my size to be for that area that's going to be used for that process. For DTG, I'll keep the default 12 by 16. For screen printing, I'm going to go with 14 by 18. And for embroidery, I'm going to go with 8 by 8. Okay, let's go ahead and save that change. All right, so it's all done. We're going to jump now back into the product section. So all we've done at this point is defined those areas to then apply them to individual products. So the next step would be to go into an individual product. We'll take a look at the Gildan 5000 here from SNS Activewear. And we're going to jump into views and decoration areas. Okay, so here we have our area. The first step would be to click into the View Configure icon here on the right-hand side and switch over to Custom Decoration Areas. My product is already set up that way, but in your case, you might find that the product is set to use the Master Decoration Areas. Okay, so you may need to switch it over to Advanced. Once you've made that switch, you can click the image to open up the Manage Product View window, and this is where we're going to be able to add those additional print locations. So over here on the right hand side, you see the list of current assigned print locations. You can press the Add New Area button to see a list of all of your area definitions, and you'll see here are the two that we just added. So I'm going to select both of those, body and body screen printing. Click OK to add them in, and the last step is going to be to go ahead and place and scale these areas to match the scale of my product image. All right, so this is the default DTG one, the DTG body, which has a size of 12 by 16. I've got my 14 by 18 here for screen printing. I'll go ahead and lay that out just where I want it, maybe matching the top alignment. And then for embroidery, I'll keep it right towards that top center area. Okay, so now I have three different definitions here, all for use as a body decoration area. The last step here, I'm going to go ahead and just set my body area back to use the master so that it'll pick up that I had only set that one to use DTG and not any of the other processes. So now I've got a body for DTG, which is 12 by 16. I've got a body for embroidery, which is 8 by 8. And I've got the body for screen printing at 14 by 18. Okay, we can go ahead and save that change. So while we can define those print locations globally, which does save us some time in not having to define the area size when we're configuring each product, we do have to go into each product and assign those newly added print locations. Okay, so you would go into each product that you want to add those additional areas to and make that change as well. All right, hopefully this video helps out, and we'll see you on the next one.